Hello, entrepreneurs. Joe DeCharis, CPA, coming to you live from downtown Flushing, New York for another amazing episode of How to Win at Business. And I'm scratching my head here, folks, because tonight, if you're watching live, give me a hashtag live. If you're watching the replay, give me the hashtag replay. And if you're not watching, it's not going to help you. So don't give me any kind of hashtag. And tonight, what we're going to talk about is breaking IRS news. Now, it's not even breaking anymore. How could something be breaking if it's the same story over and over again? You know, I keep getting these emails from the New York Times that it's the last chance, it's the last opportunity to sign up for only $1 a week. They've been sending me this email for 6 months. It's the same thing. And I don't know why. I should just put them into spam, I guess. But, you know, I get information from the accounting world, from the tax world, and lo and behold, what is fact is being reported on. And let me see. I'm not great at comments. If you post a comment here, I'll try to answer you. But this is a fact, folks. I'm going to share my screen with you now. And this is what I got in my email, that the IRS, they're predicting, the IRS. I don't understand this headline. They say IRS sees delays in tax refunds and quarterly payments. So what does that mean? The truth is, I've been talking about this for months, that the IRS is broken. And personally, I have clients and I know people that have not gotten their 2019 tax refunds. They got 2020. They got 2 of their stimulus payments. And when they go online to check the status of their refunds, they're not there, you know, and it's frustrating. It's frustrating. So what do we do about this? What is the solution for regular people? And I'm going to share the link to this article in the chat so that you could read it. I'm not going to go into details, and I'm also not going to share my screen anymore. So I hope that this gets out there. But basically, the system is on overload. Their computer systems are outdated. They've been outdated for decades. I don't know if they'll ever catch up, because the IRS mysteriously is way underfunded. They're understaffed. They're like an organization with no real purpose other than to make small business owners uncomfortable. and it's not fun. It's not fair. So what do? The only well, there's a couple of things you could do as a small business owner, as a taxpayer, as somebody that is subject to the system. You know, we don't have a choice. When you start a business, you're under the jurisdiction of state laws and federal laws. There's no way around it. And if you're not in compliance, and if you don't have all your I's dotted and all your T's crossed, you're going to run into a problem. I'll give you an example. When you're incorporated, you have to file an annual report with your state. It's standard process. So I incorporated my mom in New Mexico, and her annual report. So we incorporated on like February 17th. And it's the middle of tax season. So I'm taking care of my mom. I'm getting emails from, whoever is due. And so I'm getting an email from the state of New Mexico that the annual report is due. Well, it was due on March 15th, a couple of weeks after we incorporated. And it was only $25. But there was a $200 late filing fee, which I had to pay. And I called them, and they won't abate it, so I had to pay it. So that's just an example of how the machine is working. The machine is not working for us. It's working for them. It's working for whoever is running the machine. Okay? And the solution, folks, is to be relentless, to be tenacious, to not give up, to write letters, to document everything. If you're sending letters, send them certified. Send faxes and get proof of receipt, because later on that might save you. You're going to need documentation to prove that you made an attempt. And they might be holding up your refunds, but they're still looking for their payments. and that's just not, it's just not fair. It's never been fair. And the only real solution is to actually start writing our congresspeople. I'm going to start doing it. We have to start complaining about the IRS's draconian methods and how they're hurting small business owners. They're not helping us. Now, they have a job to do. I don't take, I empathize with the individuals that work at the IRS. They have a thankless job. But my job is to help and inform small business owners. And I hope that this helped. If you're frustrated, there's millions and millions of other people that are frustrated as well. And hopefully, if enough of them start complaining, because that's what it goes by, folks. It goes by the public's complaints, believe it or not. You complain enough to enough politicians, you're going to get their attention. And that's what we're going to need to start doing. All right, that's my story, over and out. If you want to connect with me, I've had my banner there with Mastermind with Joe DiChiara, but I always welcome people to go to timewithjoe.com and talk to me. If you're looking for your refund, maybe I could help you. If you've had some tax problems, maybe I could help you. If you're confused, maybe I could help you. And that's what the whole idea of chatting is about. I don't know if I could help you, but sometimes just talking about it is a help. So go to timewithjoe.com. God bless. That's my story. I'm sticking with it. I will see you again soon. Over and out. Thank you. Mm-hmm.